Hi, my name is Neil. I'm a blue shirt expert here at Best Buy. Today, we're going to be taking a look at Withings Thermo Smart Temporal Thermometer. Okay, so first thing I noticed is that we've got some really sleek packaging over here. Let's turn it this way. I feel like it's really nice and professional. You've got the logo over here, and let's see what we've got going on here. So, in standard fashion, we've got our user guides. Let's put those to the side over here. And then we have the thermometer itself right here. To me, it feels really nice and comfortable. I like the feel, it's sturdy. I feel like it's a solid component. One of the things I love about Thermo is that it's got 16 sensors with over 4,000 measurements to find the hottest areas and deliver the most accurate results right here on the screen. You just point it about 1 centimeter over your forehead and scan away. Another great feature for Thermo is that it delivers your results in 2 seconds without any contact. That means no saliva, no earwax, or any other bodily fluids. And lastly, Thermo supports up to 8 users. What does that mean? Well, Thermo automatically syncs up to your mobile device via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, so you can keep track of your family and friends if they decide to use the device. Thank you so much for unboxing the Withings Thermo with me. My name is Neil, and I'll catch ya in the next video.